We are pleased to show you the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, rear wiper, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Come take a test drive today.